decided to do the 3-inch blast pipe?
I don't know. What's the exhaust is off when you listen?
Oh, cunt!
Yeah, what you want?
What's going on?
We're doing some mods! So as you guys know, my header... Yeah, we'll try that again.
Oh, you fuck off, bruv.
You wanna fucking die?
You wanna do the, I'll do the
I
fist
can't
thing
control
again.
my hands.
Watch it. Watch it.
Ouchie. We're gonna do some mods. Header, oil change, and exhaust mods.
Oh shit, big day for you, eh?
The old girl's getting some treatment.
About time.
Getting the old rubbing tug for the old girl. Before you open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find. Reaching for something.
Oh my god.
God damn it.
Alright, the old header's out. Time to put in the new one, man. Cool, man.
Yeah, but you know. All the asbestos in the air.
Ooh.
TDR. Very ugly. No guess here. Alright, I welded up the bung on this test pipe. I'm gonna bolt it on.
Cool.
Might chop off my exhaust and put some blast pipes on.
Do it.
My muff, I mean. Whoa, look at how crunchy that is.
Cool, man.
That's probably what's burning that we're smelling. That's it.
Hmm.
Isn't it?
I smell your hand, but
What is
Yeah, my hand stinks like metal.
like shit. You smell his hands too.
Yeah.
Well, let me smell this then.
I'm going to give you a little boost.
I'm ready.
Cool, man.
Should have painted it blue.
Kaido spec. You fuck. Go in there, you twat. Come on then. Alright, header is in. Test pipe is in. Stock exhaust is connected. We're just going to hear it for the first time since I've owned it without an exhaust leak. And then we're probably going to cut the muffler off and put on these blast pipes. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't sound too heinous. It is a single cam, but it has the stock resonator and we'll have this.
Man, it's tucked up.
So good, like it's like an inch higher than the frame rail.
That's not bad.
Cool, man.
So should we hear it?
Yes.
Got the blast pipes, got part of Quintanimo's exhaust here from his 8.6. Do some magic, bro.
Cool, man.
Do some magic.
Whoa.
Exhaust cam!
Can you see both our faces at the same time?
Yeah. Cool, man.
Fuck. Gotta disconnect that hanger. Then circumcise.
Cutting.
Little cat action. Little bit of a cat. A little bit off the top, please. Peach. That's so bubbly. So spicy on my palate. Oh, good.
Where? Okay.
No, you want to make sure again?
Yeah, let me double check. Yeah, cool, man.
Good?
Yep.
Stacking dimes, eh?
Stacking dimes is a welder you shouldn't be able to stack dimes.
Harbor Freight. Crazy, man.
fucking spark show, bruh. That was right on my coke. Yeah, get it. Get it, I guess.
Cool, man.
Dude.
Should we give a quick rub?
Oh, it's gonna also shout out to Nelson. He left some safety sunnies here.
Nice.
Ooh.
Nice job, Ben.
Yeah, thank you, Ben.
Thanks.
Killing it as always.
Wonder what happens when it come on the other side? Never mind.
Looks good. Cool, man. Those are the straightest I've lost my thought I've ever seen.
I haven't seen a lot of straight stuff in my car. You can't even Monster Energy can out of my car. I don't know if like a scumbag who drinks that fucking. Fuck, man. What do I look like? Kyle?
That's so kind of dirty. It's pretty good. I don't give it a little throttle.
I'm sorry, but we can't.
You're terrible. Terrible.
You wanna see me throw a pig in a quarter mile, Jason?
No, don't break the bag.
The bag, if he doesn't catch it, the bag's gonna explode, man.
You know, I can throw a pig in a quarter mile. I can throw
Say goodbye to your coffee.
They're both spilling beans all the time.
God damn it.
Un momento.
Cool, man.
No, officer, it's just bubbling.
Cool, man.
Oh.
You gonna tell the people it's probably your engine shifting.
Yeah, so the steering shaft hits the header when I turn. So we're just gonna try to get home without turning. And then also it's vibrating a bit against something, as you can hear. But otherwise it's good. So yeah. That vibration sounds like someone absolutely shitting their pants. Like after a quick talk about run to Nanaimo. But yeah, anyway. New exhaust, new header, test pipe, and muff delete, blast pipes, and oil change. This bitch really got a tune-up. You're welcome.
Pretty easy.
Not that it deserved it or anything. Actually, it's pretty good. But yeah, so comment something. I don't know. If you could use any material as an exhaust, what would it be? I'd probably use Twizzlers. Like a Twizzler exhaust.
Yeah, that worked
Massive
really
Twizzler.
good.
Or like, you know those like biscuits? It's like a long biscuit. It's like pretty much a straw and it's like pastry on the outside.
Yeah.
But like crunchy pastry and then like chocolate in the middle. One of those, but like a big one.
Cool, man.
Yeah, comment what you use as exhaust, if you could use anything. And subscribe. We're trying to hit 20K. Please subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. And yeah, Moist Boys store is up with the new stuff. It's really fire. It's selling quick, so if you want some fucking drip, then head over. Link is in the description, or moistboys.com.
.co, bro.
.co, and pick something up. Yeah, otherwise, see you on the flip side, bros.
Cool, bro.
Thanks, bro.